Hello, my name's Robert and I'm from Dream Doors. We're a new business operating in the Lepton area near Huddersfield, and we represent the Huddersfield and Halifax area. At Dream Doors we offer value for money because the average kitchen these days are going to cost you anything from £14,000 to £16,000. Here you can have almost a complete replacement kitchen where you keep the carcasses for half that price, so we can save you money.
Dream Doors is the largest independent refurbishment company in the UK. But as part of that, we're a local company, family run, employing local people.
But we do trims, we do the cornice, we do the pelmets, we do the plinths, we do end panels, we do sink taps, and we do appliances. So the whole gambit of what's involved in a kitchen. In our showroom we have the leading brands. We have Blanco, Franca, we have Neff, we have Samsung. So they're all here, come and have a look.
So please come and visit us, talk about what you'd like to achieve in your kitchen, and we'll help you as much as possible. The showroom that we have, it's just outside of Huddersfield, through Waterloo, up the hill to Lepton, turn right and you're here with us. So please come and visit, you'll be made more than welcome.